Let's learn a super relatable Korean expression today. Kkor-reuk Sori. This phrase is an onomatopoeia in Korean that describes the sound of a growling stomach. When you're hungry, it's often used humorously to express hunger in a lighthearted way. Here's how you can use it. You're sitting in class or at work, and your stomach makes a loud growling sound. Embarrassed, you might say, 배고파서 꼬르륵 소리가 났어. Oh no, my stomach growled because I'm so hungry. Example in Korean,
배 안 고파? Aren't you hungry?
당연하지. 꼬르륵 소리 들리지 않아? Of course I am. Can't you hear my stomach growling? This fun and relatable phrase adds personality to your conversation. Next time your stomach growls, try saying 꼬르륵 소리 and see how it lightens the mood.